Yeah, guys, big stuff. Oh.
NOS pocket bike guy, right?
Yeah, man, you're looking at her right here.
Yeah, I saw your wheelie video. It's alright.
Oh, thanks, I think.
Bet you can't hold one for a quarter mile, though.
Whoa, you're about to just bet me right on the spot here? I mean, I guess I can give it an attempt or two.
In last weekend's video, I installed a wheelie bar that I made from an old bike rack. To my surprise, I really couldn't have asked for a better fitment onto this bike. It's still a handful to ride, but when you get it right, you can hold a pretty decent wheelie now. When we're talking about a quarter mile though, that's going to be a different kind of beast. I've only been used to holding them until I reach around my top speeds, and after that most of the torque has gone and that front tire just wants to let down. So this is going to be a nice little challenge for me. I'm going to be going for my record on this newly paved road because I'm already nervous that I'm just going to absolutely destroy this wheelie bar going for a quarter mile now. And after checking the distance on Google Maps, this is where my finish line is going to be. And I have to start the wheelie all the way down there. Not gonna lie guys, there were a lot of attempts. But according to my clips actually, on the 20th one, something magical happened.
Past the quarter mile.
I managed to ride the wheelie for a half a mile, and it happened on the smallest pocket bike I've ever ridden. And the only reason why I had to stop is because the road literally turns to dirt. It's a construction zone. It's closed. Wrapping this video up, and I don't see any serious damage to show you even after all that today. But I did kind of mess up my seat right here. You may have also noticed during that winning attempt, I ended up way back here on the fairing. I tried to start out back there a few times, but it was just way too slippery and it felt very awkward. But once I gradually moved back there on the fairing, I pretty much could hold the wheelie as long as I wanted to.
It's alright, yeah. But you know what would be really impressive? A full mile. Yeah. He's not gonna do that full mile, I guarantee it.